Good morning, dear students. Today in this video we will learn how to convert interrogative sentences into that indirect narration. Clear? Meaning interrogative question means questions. How to convert questions into indirect narration. So the basic thing, just start getting it. Number 1, as the introductory verb is changed to ask, inquire, demand or some other word having a similar meaning. Just as in affirmative sentences we were doing she told, or he told, Rama told, Radha told, Radha, it will convert here asked. She asked, he inquired, he demanded. Likewise, reported verb. And in yes-no type question, whether or if is used after such an introductory verb when the direct question has yes or no for an answer. Number 3, the interrogative form is changed into the declarative form. This is very important to understand. In indirect, question of direct never remains a question. Because if suppose I am asking a question to you directly, and if you are conveying the same thing to your mother, if I am asking have you completed your work, and you are speaking the same statement of mine to your mother, it will convert into a simple sentence, not a question. So the direct question becomes a declarative form or a statement question, a statement way. The same word is used to introduce the reported speech if the question begins with an interrogative pronoun or adverb such as what, who, which, whom, when, where, how and why. See, dear children, first of all, you should know there are two types of questions. Number 1, WHO type questions. Number 2, yes-no type questions. What is WHO type question? The question in which we have to add something. Suppose if I am asking you, what have you eaten in your breakfast? Your answer cannot be yes or no. If instead of that you will add something, that I have eaten chapati in my breakfast, I have eaten noodles in my breakfast, meaning you have to add something. Likewise, from where are you coming? Again you cannot answer in yes or no. So WHO type question. How to convert WHO type question in direct to indirect? Just see the examples. The teacher said to me, what is your name? The teacher said to me will convert the teacher asked me. The teacher asked me, and here we are not using that, but this what will come. But this sentence we have to make in a declarative sentence, so verb will go at last. Is this verb here? So what my name and is will convert into past tense was. What my name was. Just see another example of WHO type question. He said to her, where do you live? Here reported verb, I think this area is clear to you. He asked her where she, first noun will come, where she lived. Lived, past tense will come, lived, and declarative sentence we have to use. That is why verb will go at last. Next, he said to me, how old are you? He asked me how old I was. I repeat once again, in interrogative sentence, when we are converting it into indirect, it never remains a question. It becomes a declarative statement. So how you will make it a declarative statement? By keeping the verb at last. And yes, earlier whatever we have done, I have given you the video, change in tenses, change in that adjectives, that will again applicable, will remain applicable in it as well. Next, the tourist said, where is the Taj Mahal? So the tourist inquired where the Taj Mahal was. Is will go at last, tense will change, was. Next, there is another type of question that is known as yes-no type questions. And in yes-no type question, we are using if or whether. First of all, you should know what is yes-no type question. Yes-no type questions are those questions which answer we can give in yes or no. Suppose if I am asking you, have you completed your work? Surely your answer will be yes, I have completed my work, or no, I have not completed my work. So in yes or no. So these are called yes-no type question. Let's see how we are converting them into active to passive, direct to indirect. Peter said to me, do you play cricket? Peter asked me whether I played cricket. Peter asked me if I played cricket, will also write. Mary said to me, are you going to the cinema tonight? Mary asked me if, because that we are not using in it, if he was going to the cinema that night. Tonight will be that night, because previously whatever rules we have learned, they will also applicable in it. He said to me, have you done your work? He asked me if I had done my work. So, when you are converting direct to indirect in interrogative sentences or question sentences, first of all, you have to see the type of question. If it is WHO type question, then you will do according to the examples given earlier and I have explained. If it is yes-no type question, then the answer first reported verb, then if or whether, anything you can use, and then you will convert the question sentence into a simple, assertive or negative whatever it is, or a declarative sentence. Remember this thing, direct speech question never remain a question in indirect speech. I hope you followed. Thank you.